Ellie,
Look at.
look. Hi, Ellie. I'm yours. Please take me home. Love you, Sleepy.
What do you think?
Sleepy.
You want to go in there?
What does that mean, Ellie? What does that mean?
I need to get her.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're coming. You're the one picking her up.
What do you think, Al?
Is your career saved now, honey?
Yes.
Yeah, her career's not over.